Hi, this is Steve Miley, Market Chartist for ForexTraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at the US dollar versus both the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen in here. In both cases, on an intermediate term outlook, still and delivering a more positive tone in here, and actually a more bullish tone here for dollar CAD. So starting off with dollar CAD, this surge higher we've had from the middle of April, and then really a robust consolidation through the first part of May in here, critically pushing up through 135.98, setting up an intermediate term bullish theme, reinforcing this longer gradual trend in here, but really the renewed trend in here from February and then re-energized from April up through 135.98, higher targets now 138.37, 138.59 area, and then maybe up through psychological 140 for 140.17 into the second half of May. If we zoom in onto the intraday basis, you can see this high level consolidation, the market testing multiple times this kind of 136.40, 135.26 support area and rebounding from there, and whilst above there, going into the beginning of this week, we're looking for higher price action early this week and into the middle of May and beyond. If we look at dollar yen, slightly different setup in here for dollar yen. So the sell-off that we saw from the end of last year and the beginning of this year in here certainly signaled an intermediate term bearish theme, but the more recent recovery effort in here mid-April through the bull gap here in the latter part of April and then surging higher through May has neutralized the intermediate term bearish theme, signaling an intermediate term now broader range environment, which we see defined as 115.63 to the bottom of the gap here at 109.45. Within that broader range thing, though, we do see ultimately threat to the upside to challenge 115.50, 115.63 in a more bullish tone. However, on the very near term, going into the beginning of this week, this little setback that we had in here at the end of last week probably sees a deeper correction risk. Before then, we look for the next push higher and a challenge up to 115.50, 115.63. This has been Steve Miley, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.